Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video I'm about doing is not really like a teardown video or unnecessary teardown video. It's just like me. I'm trying to fix this phone itself. So basically there are two Wiko Y82 devices. The one with the cracked screen has some issues, like the camera issues as well as some the screen as well issues. So that's the front facing camera, the selfie camera, the screen issues. It also has an issue whereby the battery doesn't exactly work. Well, as the battery isn't stolen or anything. So I'm going to swap it with motherboard. That's swapping of motherboard. I'm going to swap motherboards with the first one, that's the one with bad screen, and the second one with the one with a faulty motherboard. So like that. So that's just what I'm going to do basically. So after that, I'll send some of the files and do some battery replacements. But just to see what I'm going to do. It's kind of like, it's not like a unfaithful teardown. I just want to do it like a teardown for you guys to see how it will. I've done something like this before. Watch the video right here. This is the kind of video that I do in this kind of series that only involves phones that we have like in two different series, the same type of phone. If you don't have this same type of phone, you can find it very hard for you to do this kind of video, something like this. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel, please. I hope you enjoyed this one as well, because it's going to be a little bit long. And basically, I'm recording on this the Wiko Y82 as well, so basically three we have. So I'm not just necessarily unboxing it or tearing it down for any reason. I just want to like change some things itself, because two of them basically now they have battery issues. So I'm going to make sure that I form a battery form a kind of battery to make it work. So stay tuned to the end of the video. It's going to be very interesting. Please like and subscribe as I said before. Thanks for watching.
Wait, something.